NPKI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer all this in this very short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in courses, mentors, and 5 years of my time in this skill and finally figured it out, right? And I do have 40,000 videos on this YouTube channel. That's literal proof of 5 years doing this every single freaking godly day. And like not like anyone else in this space. I mean, the most in this space that I've ever done. And I genuinely am just still looking to buy. Like after this crazy expansion with 25% gains, next week I'm just looking to further double down on this, right? So how's this gonna look like? Well, maybe if I do see it actually correcting down a little bit, I mean, after this big gap, I mean, you bet I'm gonna wait for some corrections. And then only then I'm gonna really buy. But if it does not come, then yeah, surely I'm not gonna just randomly get involved. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.